Hey guys, Nikhil here from Home Banao. With me is Toby from Beth Living. Now we've covered a few of their products. Today I want to discuss with him about another range of their products, which are Beth Living beds. Now all of us have seen cots in the past. We've seen metal beds or metal cots in the past, and they have a unique modern take on beds. Toby, can you tell me a bit more about what range you have in beds?
Sure. We have different ranges of product in this segment, particularly in beds. One we call as an elite range, another one is called a prime range. Elite ranges are with the storages, and it is possible to lift up. Where in the case of prime range, it's a normal beds which cannot, which will not have any storage facilities for that one, but it's a cost effective in nature. So this is how our two segments are. Okay. In the prime range, we have different products. In the sense means we have bunk beds. We have one of the unique product which is a mosquito mask product, which can be mosquito net can be exactly you can fix it on the bed itself.
Okay.
So this is the ranges which comes in prime.
Okay, perfect. Now speaking about some of your beds, let's start with your entry level range, which is a modern take on the traditional cot.
Yeah.
When I saw it, that's what I thought.
Right.
So can you tell me some uniqueness about that? How you've designed?
See, when you are talking about the entry level, which we call as a prime range, one of the biggest advantage for that is the hygiene level. When I say hygiene level, the bed bugs is a normal problem which most of the people are facing.
Right.
Many of the customers reach to us as they have facing this kind of problems.
Right.
So the entry level ranges of product, which is we call prime range product, which available in different size, single bed, double bed, queen size and king sizes, which is available. All are without any storage facilities and things like that. And it is all get assembled at site. Hardly takes 1 hour for assembling a bed. So this is how our product is.
Okay, perfect. And how is it bed bug proof? Like, how have you made sure that?
See, there is no space for a bed bugs to grow. In the sense means it's a metal, it's a hard stuff. A bed bugs to make a hole and sit there. So right. It doesn't have a space to sit and breed and things like that.
Right.
So that's how our products are.
Superb. Moving on to your upper range, which has the storage built in.
Yeah.
So how does that work?
See, the elite range is available only in queen size and king size.
Okay.
And the queen size has approximately 2000 liters capacity for storage.
Okay.
And one of the uniqueness of our product is generally, the safety features when you lift it up. Okay. Because it can lift up and it can hold its own in the top, as you can see the product.
Right.
So that's one of the safety feature of our product.
Okay.
And it also comes with a stylish headrest and those kind of things also.
Okay.
So this is how
elite range
comes.
And regarding the headrest and all that, I mean, is it replaceable?
It is replaced. It is removable. It is. Okay. It's a simple form. It can be removed.
Superb.
And refixed.
Now moving on, does it have the same traits of other Beth Living products, which can be done in any color, any finish?
Possible.
Superb. I have another question about metal, which I was wondering when you told me that you have a metallic range. So in a wardrobe or a kitchen cabinet, for example, I'll not have that much weight. But in a bed, my weight, my partner's weight, for example, together it will be about 200 kgs.
Absolutely, yeah.
How are you managing that? Is it not sagging?
See, if you look on, as I mentioned earlier also, any of the Beth Living products has been designed in the way that considering its functionality.
Okay.
Okay, so when it comes to kitchen, when it comes to wardrobe, when it comes to any of other products like living room products, all product has been designed in such a way that it is considering its functionality.
Okay.
For example, if you take a door on a wardrobe or a kitchen or any of the product, considering the weight of the door, the hinges capacities or number of hinges has been considered.
Okay.
Likewise, when it comes to bed, considering the people weight who is going to lie down on that, Like that it has been designed.
Okay.
Okay, it is designed in such a way that it can take that kind of a load.
Okay.
So there will not be any kind of problem like sagging, which normally you faces on a other kind of things. Normal cords what we use, you can see sagging and things.
Yes, absolutely.
You will not face any of those kind of such problem. You can see the product as it's on that.
I recommend coming and checking it out. Like they have a unique pattern below the bed.
Absolutely, yeah.
Like you'll be able to see right now. So I would urge you to check it out. So that's what you're referring to.
Absolutely, it is designed to take that load.
Got it.
Considering its functionality, because functionality is, as the two people lie on a queen bed or a so
absolutely.
Considering that fact, only our designs are.
Absolutely, got it. So moving on to the lift up section of the bed, how does that work? And you said that it is able to maintain.
Correct. It can lift and hold up. Okay. So that's why.
Do I need to be strong to be able to do it?
It is usually anybody in the house can do that. It is nothing. It is a mechanism to do that.
Okay.
So what happens is it's because of the safety is well addressed by that. So kids going down under the this thing to take something. You don't have to be scared that it can fall or anything like that.
Okay.
It doesn't happen that way. So that is why what we are saying, the safety is well taken care of on our product.
Superb. Now, say for example, a particular bed has to be done in a custom size. Is that possible?
See, custom size is concerned. As I told you, that we have product is in different dimensions available, which is for a king, queen, single, and double.
Okay.
So generally, that is addressed most
over
of the customized requirement of any customers.
Okay, got it. My next question is regarding creaking and some sort of sounds. Now again, I've experienced this in metal cots in the past. It creaks and the base starts developing a sound, or something gets rusted, and when say
You yourself, the answer to me, you yourself try sitting on our bed and you see any sound is coming up.
No, but see, that's because it's a fresh bed. I'm
it is
asking
not,
over the years.
See,
I'm not going to buy a bed.
I understand. See, that generally happens, when the fitments are not correct. Okay, so when any of the bed living, I'm not talking about the bed alone, any of the bed living products, the fitments are like how you see in an automobile. Okay, there is a receiver, any of the screws and things like that goes into that receiver. So you will not face any kind of such kind of a problem. Imagine that if you face a problem such kind, it's only tightening a nut, and when you tight or loosen it, you don't have any problem because there is a receiver there.
Right.
So that's how it is.
Okay, so you're telling that because you're focusing on tolerances which are very tight.
Absolutely.
There's no chances of
there is no chances, and not only that, the fitments what we use are like that. In the sense means the designs to get this fitments are in such a way so that it ensures that it doesn't make any kind of sounds and things like that.
Okay, moving on to the next part, which is your top of the line beds.
Yeah.
So can you tell me a bit more about that?
See, when you look at a product of this segment, is actually speaking, it is not available in the market.
Okay.
Because we know the current pandemic scenario which is happening.
Right.
Along with this pandemic, we are aware that dengue or chikungunya, this kind of diseases are being spread through mosquitoes.
Right.
Or even malaria. When the mosquitoes are there, when we read any newspaper that there is any of these diseases are getting spread up in our city, what we do is we start using good night or mosquito repellent,
and
all those kind of things is what we use what is available in the market. We know that there is a harmless, there is a health related problem with all kind of things, but we don't have a solution.
Right.
We have designed a product in that where you can put your mosquito nets properly onto your bed.
Okay.
Most of us avoid mosquito nets because we feel that the interior of the room will have a problem when we put a mosquito net and tying to different part of the room.
Right.
So we have a product specific for this requirement.
Okay.
So that you can precisely, all is part of the bed itself. It is precisely can fit on that particular bed itself.
Okay.
So this is actually speaking, this is a best solution which we can keep away all this kind of diseases what normally spreads across in our world.
Right.
So this particular product is only solution. Okay. Currently, if you look on this kind of a product, we have not seen in the market, and many of the
mask.
Yes, with the mosquito mask, something like that. So majority of our customers come to us asking specific about this product.
Okay, fair enough. Understood. Really interesting. I'll try to put up some photos so you can have a look at how this looks. But yeah, anything, what is the range of your, what's the cost of?
See, when you look out for the prime range, you can get it single bed and things like that. You can get it from starting from something around 16,000-17,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees of different sizes.
Okay.
When it comes to elite range, you will have a range starting from 75 to 85,000 rupees.
Okay. Does this include the mattress?
No, it's not include the mattress.
Just the structure.
Yes.
Okay. I guess that's comparable to what you would end up paying to a carpenter also if you would
Absolutely.
do it.
We would say much stronger, much well functionally designed product.
Right.
And much durable.
Okay.
So that's you are getting far superior than what normally which you makes it up.
Absolutely. Sounds good. So guys, these were some of the features of the Beth Living bed. Again, completely made of metal, which continues to surprise me because the finish is absolutely beautiful. I'll link some of the photos in the description. You can have a look, and I'll link their website as well. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
I'll leave an inquiry form in the description as well. So if you have an inquiry, you can fill that up and we'll connect you to Beth Living. They have over 30 plus retail experience centers in India. I would urge you to check them out because their products, when you touch and feel, you get a different level of confidence. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in our next video.